Hi, so if you're watching this video, you're probably asking yourself, what the heck is this guy doing to enjoy this kind of lifestyle, to travel around the world, to have fun every single day? What is he doing? So in this video, I will tell you exactly what has enabled me to make money on the internet. Yes, that's right, my friend. If you're watching this video, I'm using the best leverage there is, and it's called online marketing. Now you know that we are living in the digital era. Everything right now it's going digital. You have Netflix, digital. You can even order your food through digital means. So why not start thinking about how you can utilize that and start generating income online from your home or basically wherever you go? Because let's be honest, if you have a laptop computer and even if you have your iPhone and Wi-Fi connection, you can basically be on the beach drinking Mai Tai or having best cocktails and still be making money. Why? Because it's the honest truth. Maybe it sounds overreacted, but let's be honest. Everywhere you go, you can connect to the Wi-Fi connection and you can take your phone with you. So why not use that to be making money online from anywhere you go? So one of the ways that I make money online is using affiliate marketing, and affiliate marketing is basically promoting other people's products for a huge commissions. And basically I'm acting as a middleman. So I'm like the bridge in between the point A and point B. So basically I'm providing solutions to the people with problems and for a huge payouts. So if you would like to know more about this and how I'm leveraging paid advertisement and basically turning advertising into profit every single day, but not only me, also my students. I have lots of students testimonials that you can see later on in under this video and on my YouTube channel. So please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to work with me one-on-one and have done for you campaigns, done for you ad copies, done for you targeting details, let me know below this video. Somewhere below this video is going to be my Instagram account, my WhatsApp, my email and my Facebook channel. So just connect with me one-on-one and see if we can work together. Thank you for watching this video.